Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will write a Python program add two numbers using function. Now the defined function perform the addition of two numbers. To define function I will use these keywords and I will define my function at the beginning of program. This is use de of keywords. So I will define the function at the beginning of program. After def keywords I need to give a name to the function. We can give any name which comes under the identify rules where, but we try to give a meaningful name of we example adding two numbers. I will give my function name as add. Here we write add. Here we write add, and after we need two parameters because we adding two numbers. We need two numbers. Here we can use parameter that is x and y. Here we write x comma y, and after that this parameter we write here result. Define the result means x plus y. Here we write result, and after that we define this result is equal to in bracket x plus y. After this, so I will take variable result. After that print the result. I will print like this, print x plus y, that is here x and y without a double quotes, because we wrote double quotes will printed as it is to the screen at output. Here we write print in bracket x plus y is equal to result x comma y, x comma plus is double quoted text. We write plus, and after that comma we give and y. Here we write y. After that is equal to result in, so comma is equal to result. Here we write in double quoted text because at the problems in output screen we write result result. Here after that we need to input from the user. Here we write let's take input from the user in the Python file variable name as, and I will use input function to take input from user. I will print this message, enter the first number and enter the second number, because I am using Python 3 will in strings. Python 3 default input function I will take input as string, but we want to enter the number of rows, that is integer value. To convert to string, that is we use int, integer is input. Here we write int n is equal to enter the first number and 1 is equal to enter the first number. We here write int input in string. Here we write enter the first number, second number, After that, we here add two numbers using n1 and n2 that the output give result. Here we write and add two numbers, that is n1 and n2. Add n1 comma n2. Here we not write positive because we define already. Here n1 comma n2, and after the bracket complete. This is the very simple. We clear all indentation error, and after this execute this program. Here enter the first number. Here we write enter the first number is 5. Enter the second number, example the second number is 10. After that we take 5 plus 10 is equal to 5, but here we write in decimal points in the output. Here we use function that float, that is float, and in place of integer we write float, and get output executes this program, and we here enter 5 plus 5.5 and enter the second number 5 plus 5. We gives output that is 11. This is the float after using. If any doubts, write in comment box. Bye and see you again.